My name is Dylan Brock. DylanBrockMusic.com is my website. I give lessons. It's my good friend Andrew Griffin. You want to say hi?
Hi everybody.
We're in Felsen and we love this song by the Beatles and it's off this rad record. Actually, it's not on this particular copy, but Andrew can explain to you why.
This is the American Capitol version of this record, and Capitol Records butchered a lot of the British versions of the Beatles records, and they would take tunes off of there so they could put out more records.
Make more money.
Make more money. Awesome. Good things. Good things. Nothing has changed in the music industry in all these years.
Totally.
So,
well, we're going to do "And Your Bird Can Sing." I'm going to attempt to do both parts that John and George played.
this has never been done before. Don't try this at home.
Well, it's never been done with this guitar.
Okay.
There's people over the internet who are doing it. Let's go for it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You tell me that you've got everything you want, and your bird can sing, but you don't get me. You don't get me. You say you've seen 7 wonders, and your bird is green, but you can't see me. You can't see me. When your prized possessions start to weigh you down, look in my direction. I'll be round. I'll be round. When your bird is broken, will it bring you down? Maybe awoken. I'll be round. I'll be round. You tell me that you've heard every sound there is, and your bird can swing, but you can't hear me. You can't hear me. Wait for it. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. So I think we're going to grab some burritos.